Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Verge Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the power saving mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can press the home button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have the power saving mode icon, the one that looks like battery. Tap on this icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and your watch will enter the power saving mode. You will have access only to hour, steps, and date, and also the battery level, but all other functions will be disabled. And to exit the power saving mode, press and hold the home button. Like this, keep holding it until you see the normal watch face, basically. And that's how you enable the power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.